Hi everyone! Ito na naman po tayo sa day 4 ng Training of Trainers on digital skills and e-business. And this time we're gonna see our very own Ms. Rachel Rivera and Sir Jeremiah Balan presenting our output. Output to shop for an activity. It's just like a sample, A/B testing.
How to promote your business online. That's actually the main subject for the training. Okay?
Yarn. And these are our ever supportive cast of characters. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung buong presentation nila kasi it's just a sample.
But this one is more on the location. Because
There.
you need to find out what location
And that's the
has a lot of
presenter. I forgot his name. Later I'm gonna post his name.
in training.
Yarn.
Okay? So what we did is we created three
Sample
A/B
A/B testing.
One, women who owns in Manila, all businesses that are located in Manila. And then another one is in Cebu City, that's actually in the southern part.
And these are the rest of the participants. Tapos nang mag-present ang Cambodia, Vietnam, Indonesia. Yarn, this time Philippines naman.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So those are actually the main cities.
Diba? Nakaka-proud ang
So
ating
we're going to use
Rochefel and ang ating Jeremiah.
And we're going to target women 35 to 45. But we'll also need to include the demographics. As in Facebook, we can actually select the job titles. So we have to
Siyempre,
make
expertise
sure
din yan.
that the people who
Digital
will see
marketing.
ads are actually business owners.
So for those who have just joined us, this is just a presentation of the final output for an activity that we did where we are required to give a sample A/B test. Ayan, at ito, nakaka-proud ang aking BFF. Ginawa niya yan in less than an hour, like 30 minutes niya lang ginawa yung... Ay, wala na.
Thank you very much.
Yung graphics kanina.
From my experience recently, do you guys know that Apple and also App Store and Google Play, they banned these kind of like tracking systems for marketing. Right?
Hindi na
So
nakita
now
ulit
that's
yung
why if we want to
graphics na
install
ginawa on your
an app
account.
for
But
phone,
anyway, that's it for
register
today.
it.
We'll be
There's
presenting
a
more
notice saying
tomorrow.
you allow
So
our design